And siya na po.
First one to admit na iba ang BF na the hottest leading man na nakikiligan. Isang simple post. I'm not saying it's bad.
O, pero mga
I'm saying na baka we have this notion kasi na, kasi for example, alam ko, narinig ko magkano yung BF. Diba, that's sa hindi yan sa akin.
Sige po. Wala na naman yung tissue na yun?
Yes, yun ang number one actually. Nag-iipon pa talaga ako. Oo.
Hindi ka ano.
Hindi kasi diba, madali magpakasal.
Yes, last question po.
Madali, sobrang dali. Pero pag nilatag mo na, magpapamilya na, especially ngayon,
last 2
diba,
minutes.
realist ka, diba? Okay, fine. Okay, maganda buhay natin ng X amount of years. Paano pag may nangyari lang hindi maganda? Diba? Maging realist. And either way din naman, kung mag-propose siya sa akin, mag-yes din ako. So it's a two-way street. So, kumbaga, yes, and ako naman, I'm not saying no, I'm not saying I'm not sure. No, I'm sure. But it's more of nilalatag ko pa yung yun mas tamang way to put it, nilalatag ko pa. I'm not saying I'm not sure, I'm not saying there's uncertainty or a question mark. It's more of, I want to be able to provide a life na I believe I and my family would deserve.
Luis, yung, di ba kasosyo mo si Chris sa business ng taxi?
No. Si Chris, she was an angel investor. Investor siya, yung nag-invest. Pero wala siyang shares, wala siyang ganun sa kumpanya. Kumbaga, we gave her a good deal lang. Investor siya sa taxi na.
Not now, not anymore. Ngayon.
We still have 1 month para mabalik yung investment niya. Yes. Ganun lang, but no ownership, no shares, nothing. Meron, soon, ako, alam niyo yung isang business ko na I think will call you soon na my new scent company, it's called Lucky and Lulu, na may 2 kiosk na kami sa SM Bacoor, SM BF. So we're hoping na dumami pa perfume. Pero lalabas pa kami na marami pang products na apart from actual scents. So we have franchisees already na nagsisimula na gusto magandang yung kita. And may yung other businesses ko, you'll find out very very soon. Siyempre yung mga pangunahan. Mga kailangan sa gusto for 2019.
Luis, I'm just scared.
Yes guys,
Thank you, Luis.
tama na, Jai, tama na.
Thank you. We're live right now po.